In this video, we will demonstrate bulk discounts and tier discounts. Bulk discounts are likely the first discounting method that you encounter on the site. It's pretty straightforward. There's just one bit that requires some explanation. Let's run through the straightforward part first, though. So you're able to edit your roster from two spots, from the designer by toggling back and forth, or you can add it to your cart and edit from there. For this video, I'm going to do exactly that and edit from the cart. So both discounts are exactly that. As you increase the quantity, starting at 4 units, you'll start to see an automatic discount applied. 4 units you see will get you 4.5%. If you have a team of 10, then you are saving 13.5%, and so on. And this is calculated real time. So if you just need to see what the quick price would be before you start getting into the design, you can jump in and start changing the quantities, and you'll see in real time how quickly it's updated and have your price quote or a purchase order or whatever the case may be. The one complication with bulk discounts is how do we handle when similar fits of the same product are within a roster. The most common example of that is when a team has 1 or 2 female jerseys and they want to buy the specific female cut for that. And how does the discounting work for that case? So the compromise we came up with, so keep in mind, we do have to redo the print files and create either a single print file for the 1 or 2 female jerseys in this case. So there is additional work involved, but you are placing a large order, so we don't want to penalize you for going and purchasing that better fit female jersey. We want everyone to be comfortable. So we thought that the fair compromise was that we will take the highest ranking discount. So in this case, there's quantity 10 for the men's crew neck jersey. So you will receive the same 10-piece discount of 13.55 in this case on the even reduced price. So this is the 10-unit discount. You are not receiving an 11-unit discount. And if I increase this to 2 or 3 or 4 jerseys, you see that it doesn't change. You're not receiving the 14-unit as I increase this to 4 units. You're not receiving a 14-unit price. You're still receiving the 10 unit price as the top level. Now, if this starts to change and now you order 11 here, then you'll see it switch from 10 to 11 discount. This isn't very practical. We don't see a lot of this. And perhaps as the distribution of like sizes changes throughout time, if it does, it probably doesn't. But as of right now, this is a fair and practical solution because more often than not, we're only seeing a few of the variation. So we think this is a fair compromise, but we'll always pay attention to it. If we start to see that, maybe it's more of an equal split, 10 of one and 10 of another, then there's probably a better compromise. But as of right now, we think this is a fair compromise, and we hope you agree. The next discounting program that we use, we call our tier discounts. So tier discounts are what you may, or what are commonly referred to as column pricing. So to see how this program works, from your user dashboard, you can head over to Performance and take a look at the commissions section. So here is the spreadsheet to show what the gold amount is and the corresponding discounts once you achieve that gold amount. So this is the backbone for several things and rewards just general account performance with us. So let's say you place a bulk order for your team and then you need to come back and fill in with, one or two jerseys later for new members that join the team or whatever it may be. We want to reward the loyalty, and we don't want to now charge you a retail price to somebody that's already placed a bulk order with us. So the way that this works is once you achieve the tier, you'll be on a program where you keep that tier for the next 365 days. And you will, but it's a rolling performance. So as you buy, fundraise, or refer, then you're always contributing to this tier. You can either rank up or you can lose tier, but you will have it for a year. The tiers 0 through 4, those will actually never reset. So if you are a startup team or a startup school and you're just getting your program going and you only need a couple jerseys this year, then that amount will never reset, and then you can try to achieve level 5 for the following year. Once you achieve level 5, you'll have level 5 as your minimum forever. So once you do $1,000 with us, then you will always have a 10% discount on the website. You will have the opportunity to achieve a higher discount, but you will never go lower. This pricing is, like I said, great for like fill-in orders, but it's also the backbone of our fundraising. So as you can see, these discounts when you buy can be viewed as discounts, but when you sell and fundraise, they can be viewed as commissions. So it is coming from the same table and serving different purposes, but that's the gist of it. If you are within like making a purchase, let's see. So let's add this item to the cart. So you'll always receive the best discount. So my tier discount for this example account that I'm logged into is tier 7 esports. So tier 7 receives a 20% discount on jerseys. So this won't conflict with your bulk discount. So if for some reason, I have no idea what a real world example would be, but for whatever reason, you suddenly are buying a lot of jerseys, you would still get the bulk discount of, in this case, nearly 30%, even though you're only tier 7 and you have a 20% discount. I'm not sure where that line would be as I try to find it. Getting there. Oh, 20 jerseys. This is probably your tier discount. Actually, it is. We can see it right over here. You can tell which discount that you're receiving. So a bulk discount of 20 units is still less than 20%. So your tier discount takes over. So the as you go through, you'll see that it's still 20% at 21, 22, 23. So there we go. So the bulk discount is better than 20% at 24 units. So automatically, you don't need to worry about it. You are getting the best discount. And you'll see that now it says the volume discount rather than at the price below the tier discount. The other benefit of the tier discount is you are able to receive that across all products. So not only the jerseys, which is of course the core item, but if you go to something else, like let's say just like a basic t-shirt, and we add that to your cart, then you are automatically receiving the 20% discount. There are some rounding issues here. Apparently 1 penny is 0.34%. But yeah, that's the tier discount showing up, 20% with a rounding thing going on. But it would apply to any product that you want to purchase now that you've earned that tier level discount for your team. Desk mats, whatever it may be, jersey, t-shirt, desk mat. That one comes up at 15%, and you can see that here, desk mats at level 7 are 15%. So that's tier discounts. I hope that makes sense. It's always working in unison with bulk discounts. You'll always receive the best pricing that we can, and hopefully we see your organization grow and rank up and earn more funds. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the answers that you were looking for. Keep in mind that we're always developing the site with new features and improvements, so make sure you're signed up and receiving email notifications.